Hey everyone, this is Tiffany. Welcome to Lux Living on Half the Bucks. Quick question, just curious, has anybody been experiencing chapped lips lately this season? Let me know in the comments below. So just a disclaimer tamer, if you're allergic to any of the ingredients mentioned in the recipe, please swap them out for other ingredients or avoid use. So alrighty, we got a quick cure for those chapped lips. I call it the peanut butter lip scrub. And all you need is peanut butter, brown sugar, honey, olive oil, along with a bowl, utensils, and something like a little tablespoon measuring thing to measure everything with. I use a tablespoon with equal parts of everything. And just a quick note, please subscribe. Like this video, and you're gonna see pretty soon I put all those ingredients inside of a little bowl and just mix it all in together. Early part of the video when I listed the ingredients, it has all the benefits. So as you can see, my lips are very dry. They chap. I need some water real bad, and hydration is the key. Also, climate change can cause chapped lips. Another thing too is licking lips. It used to be hot, sexy, I don't know anymore, but it's not working for your lips because the saliva strips the moisture out of your lips. But as you can see here, you just put that mixture right on your lips, rub it really good, just get it all in there. Please excuse if you can see the inside of my mouth and I'm chewing gum. But please like, comment, let me know if you've tried this before, or even if you had to swap out any of the ingredients. But just go ahead, rub that all in here. I even rubbed it outside of my lips too. Then you see me take a warm cloth and just wipe up all the residue from that, right? Afterwards, you'll go back with your favorite chapstick. I like shea butter because it really just gives a like a sensation. I don't know, like cooling. Aloe vera does that too, but I'm using shea butter. And just put that all over. You'll see a before and after, girl, or whoever's watching this, boy, this is everything. So let me know in the comments below if you tried this, if you like it, if it works. Thank you so much for watching, and everyone, please be safe.